Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, privacy glass, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.